Rowserworld. I don't know, just I like to make a cartoon out of that. You guys want to try it? Yeah? Let's do it. All right, so what wine glass do I see here? This is the wine glass that I see. Okay, this one right here. So I'm gonna take my pencil and draw the wine glass. I'm seeing something along these lines here, with a very high like top to it. You know what I mean? This takes away the pressure of drawing a head. I'm not drawing a head. I'm drawing a wine glass. All right, and then I'm gonna go down here, and this is gonna be like my glass shape here. So it's got like a little, like a little part that comes in here. We can even just make it curve into there if we want. All right. So this is my wine glass. It has 1, 2 turns in it, right? And then I'm also going to taper it, right? So I wanted to have a tapered look, and then this right here would be obviously the base of the glass right there. All right, so let's go into it, guys. Let's straighten up the paper here, and we're going to draw some cartoons. Okay. All right. Ethan already started it out for us, so that's good, right? All right, here we go. So this is our hairline right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to add some, I don't know, some hair right there, right? And some hair right there, all right? Let's give it a little wig here. Okay. That's our little wig right there. And let's give her some little thingies like this. All right. Some ears maybe. Look at her ear shape. Her ear shape's kind of like this. I don't want to make it too big. Okay. And then she has these great big old earrings like these. Great day in the morning. Look at them earrings. Some huge earrings, right? Where's our chin go? Right there. Right there. Okay. And then just bring it around. See? And we put our neck shape. So, all right. So we can see where all of our shapes go. Just like that. All right. Isn't it? I like her hair too. I just picked that because I like the hairdo, right? All right. Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to draw our eye shape. Remember, eyes closed. Close your eyes. Right? And what do you see? Nothing? That's right. That's exactly what you're going to get. No, that's what you I'm playing around. All right, let's see. So watch this. Draw the eyes closed. All right, watch. Closed. Make them the right distance. One line. That's all you need. Now we'll come over here, watch. Okay. Now we'll put some lips. Okay. And a little mole right there. Okay. Now, what we're going to do next, we're going to put our top line over the eye. Okay. Put this middle part here. Okay. See right here, I was able to put everything together without having to put any of the features yet, because I'm using very simple one-line ideas to get everything on the paper. Okay. Now we can put our eyebrows. Watch this. And our eyebrows are just going to go pretty much anywhere above this line will work. Just we can look at it one line. Once again, one line. Okay. Up, over, over, right? And then we just kind of color them in. Okay. Now let's go ahead and let's do this right here. Watch this. Okay. Okay. Little lighting in the eye right there. Now watch this. Now I'll make my lash off the end. Okay. Then we'll come down here. I'll keep this line light. Okay. And then put some little eyelashes down here. Yes, sir. And then some long eyelashes right here. Way back a year ago. Okay. Put a little and okay. Okay. All right. Oh man. Oh yeah. That was quick. Quick like that. Quick. Okay. So once we got that down, right? Right. All right. Awesome. All right. So let's go ahead and put some shadows so we can erase our. I think you know what? I think that I have a eraser in my pocket. All right. And this is going to be our last drawing, guys, of the stream. So I'm going to go into my word of the day. That's what we're going to share a word of encouragement from the scripture, and then from that point we'll go ahead and turn you guys over. I have praise and worship practice here shortly, so I need to be getting this thing closed out. Okay, so that's our picture, right? Whoop, 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 right? And let's go ahead and add some little bit of life to the picture. We can put some little makeup, right? Whatever. We can do like this with her makeup. Boop, boop. Right? Look like her, right? Little lipstick, maybe. Little heart, right? Okay. Like that. Yeah. Right. You know what else we'll do? Woo. Where is it? Do I have a... Thought I had a... Oh, I do have one right here. There we go. Do I have yellow? I got this. I got a crayon. I got a green crayon. No, that's pink. Come on, is it green? I just saw it right there. There we go. Some green right there. I even got a nice blue one here too. Good one. Okay. Let's go ahead and sharpen this up a little bit, so it'll be sharp when we're using it. Okay, and then we will finish up. So we'll just use this little green here. I'm not going to do a detailed shade. I'll just use the side of my... I thought I had a dark green here, which would have really set, but it's not. She doesn't really have dark green, so right. Yeah, something like that right there. Right. We can even use it here a little bit. Okay. Be good to go. It's a little crayon. These are some jumbo crayons here. And we'll just color around it. Press real hard. That's a really nice blue right there. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna keep that one. Let's see. Hey. Maybe some pink right here. Okay. All right, so let's put these away. All right, and voila, that's how you have it, guys. So anyway, guys, that's our last drawing of the stream. I want to thank y'all. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.